Hey guys, I got something cool coming out. I need your help with it. As some of you know, I've been working really hard with new software to try to make my videos more entertaining. And I've actually spent about a month working on one video, trying out new techniques, coming up with new effects and things like that, just to make it a little more entertaining. And I need your help. I'm gonna be doing a premiere tomorrow, Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock Central Time. And I need you to show up and give me your feedback. I need to know what works, what doesn't work, any suggestions you have. All comments are welcome, and just come out and hang out with us. So this is just a real short announcement. Nothing really fancy with this video. If you do like this video or you like any of my other videos, you can give me a like if you want to. Definitely subscribe if you're not. Comment always. Share this with your friends. I really appreciate it. Hit the ringy dingy thing so you're notified next time I make a video. And as always, no matter what tune that life plays, you always find your groove. I'll see you tomorrow.